Good morning. So when you're working on some of these lessons with Google Docs, you're going to have some where you have choices, and you'll have some lessons where you're pretty much following every step from the directions that I give you. And the reason you're doing this is that it's going to take you through where to find certain things in Google Docs and make sure that you guys know how to use these tools and features so that you're successful if you need to use it in the future. So for this one, it'll say formatting lists in Google Docs. You're going to click here where it says lesson 2.2, and you're also going to click a little box that you don't see right now, but it'll say create, and you create a new Google Doc. So you need to read through these directions and follow each step. Okay? You could probably start with step 3 actually, but read each step. There are pictures. It will tell you where to find things. So it might also help if you work with 2 screens. Now it's kind of hard in the Chromebook, but you guys are probably used to that. But if you want to make 2 screens, just click and drag, then take your directions file, click and drag that out. And it doesn't matter which side, but that way you have your directions on the left or the right and your Google Doc so that you can follow along. Also, what's really important, if you see a step that says, for example, number 2 says, at the top of your document, type the text exactly as shown in 2.2 figure A. That means you have to scroll down. It's usually all the way at the bottom, but in this case, it's the second to last page. This would say 2.2 figure A. Now, for example, this assignment, you're typing a recipe to make brownies and the directions to do it. So you have to type this exactly as you see it. When you see a break or a space, that means you press enter and you go on to the next line. Okay? And if you want to see what your page should end up looking like when you're finished, that's the last page here. So you're going to type the text first, then you're going to go through the steps in the directions so that your page looks formatted like this. Okay, good luck.